This time, pure Group B rally action. With racing images and technical details. Cars are presented in alphabetical order. Please enjoy my Group B compilation. Welcome to ABCD Videos. The Audi Quattro has a 2.1-litre, 5-cylinder with 300 to 650 horsepower. It weighs 1,000 to 1,260 kilograms and has a Quattro 4-wheel drive system. Carbon Kevlar hood in the 1980s. This Pikes Peak Quattro is the ultimate. A rare Group B Citroen Visa with 1.4-litre, 4-cylinder up to 145 horsepower. It weighs around 750 kilograms and 204 wheel drive cars are built. The original driver's cards on the car. Please subscribe if you like this video. Two Weber carburetors are applied. The Ford RS200 has a 1.8 to 2.1-litre, 4-cylinder with up to 650 horsepower. It weighs 1,050 kilograms and is rear mid-engine. 200 Ford RS200s are made in total. The MG Metro 6R4 has a 3-litre, Rover V6 with up to 410 horsepower. It weighs 1,040 kilograms and is rear-engined. The Rover V6 sits in the back. "205 Metro 6R4s are made in total. The Lancia Delta S4 has a 1.8-litre, 4-cylinder which is supercharged and turbocharged. It produces up to 600 horsepower, weighs 950 kilograms and is rear-engined. This S4 is my personal favorite. The Italians push technology to the limit. A fatal crash caused the Group B cancellation. Enthusiasts still love the S4's brute power. A rare Nissan 240 RS with 2.3-litre, 4-cylinder. It has 265 horsepower, weighs 970 kilograms and is front-engined. For homologation, 200 cars are made. The Peugeot 205 Turbo 16 has a 1.8-litre, 4-cylinder with up to 550 horsepower. It weighs as little as 910 kilograms and is rear-engine 4-wheel drive. The Peugeot dominated Group B for a while. Spitting flames. It was also used in the Dakar Rally. Like the Lancia, it pushed the boundaries. Pushing the technical regulation to the extreme. The Porsche 911 has a 3-litre, 6-cylinder boxer with 290 horsepower. It weighs 960 kilograms and is rear-engined and rear-wheel drive. Fuel tank in the front. The 911 is rear-engined from standard. The Renault 5 Turbo has a 1.4 or 1.5-litre, 4-cylinder with up to 360 horsepower. It only weighs 900 kilograms and is rear mid-engined and rear-wheel drive. See more racing action on my channel. The small engine contributes to the low weight. The gearbox sits behind the engine.
Den Audi Quattro, auf historisch gemacht.
The Toyota Celica twin cam has a 2.1-litre, 4-cylinder and up to 380 horsepower, a minimum weight of 1,000 kilograms and is front-engine rear-wheel drive. Longitudinal engine with turbo and wastegate.
Das Auto nachverfolgt wird und festgestellt hat, dass er zu dem Zeitpunkt, als er das gekauft hat,